Lovers, today we are making garden egg sauce. Yes, guys, look at how delicious it looks. So to make garden egg sauce, we'll be needing some garden egg. So I'm going to go ahead and peel off the upper part. Then I'm going to go ahead to wash it thoroughly and then cut it into smaller sizes. Yes, guys. So once I'm done potting it, I'm going to pour it in my pot and add in some water. Then I'm going to cover it and allow it to cool. So while that is on fire, then I'll go ahead and pour in some pepper, onions, and crayfish in my blender. Then I'm going to blend it. So now, guys, the garden egg is cooked. So the next thing I want to do is to take it off the fire. Then I'm going to add in some palm oil to my pot. While the palm oil is getting hot, I added in some onions and I pour in the garden egg, the cooked garden egg in my blender. So I'm going to roughly blend it. So in my pot, I added in my pepper mix that I just blended to it, added in some salt, some spices, and some what's it called? Fish powder. Then I'm going to cover it and allow it to simmer. Yes, guys, look at what we have. Now I'm done blending my garden egg. Yes, guys, so the next thing is for me to pour it into it. Look at how smooth it is. Yes, guys, if you don't want to be feeling that taste of the garden egg skin, then just blend it rather than you saying you want to pound it. Now, guys, it is ready. I added in some protein. Bye.